Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Mohamed Sami and today I'm going to present for COA group assignment. I'm representing computer D. So we have a few programs to test today. We have CPU-Z, Geekbench, and we're going to track using Windows Task Manager, and we're going to use Mini-Tool Partitions Wizard for the SSD HDD tracking. So I'm going to start quickly with CPU-Z. Okay, so for CPU-Z, it is reading the data, the information of my CPU and everything. And I'm also gonna run Geekbench 6. Okay, all right. Just give it a second. So here we can see the processor name and the information about the CPU, about the clock speed that we're running now, and about the cache as well, the L1, the L2, L1 instant and the level 2 and level 3 as well, and how many ways do we have. We can see the number of threads, the number of cores, as you can see, 8 cores, 16 threads, as it will show up in the task manager as well. So if you go to the CPU in the task manager and click on show logical processors, we can see that we have 16, although it's 16 threads, not cores, but it's 8 cores. So each core got 2 ways or 2 threads. Okay, so this is an information. Now we're going to run the CPU benchmark. As you can see, if we track using all of these softwares to help us, okay, CPU pinch is not pushing the CPU to the limit though. But as we can see here, we're reaching the highest frequency available for this CPU, which is almost 4 gigahertz across all the cores, and it's dropping down, going up and down based on the type of the test that we're doing, and in the end, it should give us a number. I will pause the video until the the test finishes, and I will back again. Okay, so we're back again. Now, after the test finish, it will open up a browser menu on top of it, on top of the other running applications. And as you can see, it shows the single core score and it shows the multi-core score as well. And we're gonna compare between the different systems later on. That's basically for CPU-Z. And it's also, I want to note that in CPU-Z it shows the core speed, the multiplier, the pass speed as well, which is very important. Here we can see the maximum frequency of 4.3 gigahertz for this CPU and the base frequency 3.2. And I have a 32 gigabyte of DDR4 RAM. All right, so now let's move on to the next test, which is going to be the mini tool partition wizard. So I have 3 different disks as shown here in the task manager. I have the main disk, which is having the windows in it. I have another disk, which I got my program I can show you. As you can see, I have the C drive, I have the data drive, and I have my external uh, hard drive as well. So I will do the test on the C drive. Okay, let's go ahead to disk benchmark. We can choose the disk here. I will choose disk C, and then I will leave the settings as it is. We're gonna run at 4 kilobytes, and then the queue number is gonna be 8. Cooldown is 5 seconds, and total length is gonna be 32 kilobyte. This mode is 4 with the speed, and we're gonna make sure that's a sequential test. I'm gonna start it. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video now until the test finishes. And if we wanna track before pausing the video, if we go to disk 0, as you can see, we can track here, and we can see the write speed is going up. Now we're doing write. Read speed is not that much, but we can track the test from the task manager as well and see what's going on basically with the disk in terms of reading and writing as well. All right. All right, so now the test is done, and from the information, as you can see, the NVMe SSD is back to normal. Now, from the information we can see, we can get a scores here. Um, as you can see, we're getting a score for the 32 kilobyte, 16 kilobyte, 8 kilobyte, and 4 kilobyte as well. And later on, we're going to compare these scores. But these numbers are showing in megabyte per second, which means if you look here into the reading speed, which is this color, that's a random reading speed. I think it is around 2600, which indicates to 2.6 gigabyte per second. And this is the writing speed, which is around 1.1 gigabyte per second. This is for 32 kilobytes. And of course, the numbers goes down with 4 kilobytes. The less the transfer size is less, the harder it is to transfer the file because the files are gonna be in small pieces. Right, so that's it for me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.